Well, this is the Swan Petmaster 1600 that we picked up off the side of the road, which had been left out for scrap or for rubbish or for whatever reason. Don't quite know why. Get it in a bit better line. It's probably a bit better that way. Okay, so basically I've gave it a little clean, but it is in very good condition if you ask me. Anyway, this, it is just, it's not been battered or abused, and obviously the cable was took off. I've put a crappy cable on it for the time being because I couldn't find the one I wanted, but I have now found the one I wanted. So I'm going to have to change the cable again, but it's just a crappy cable for now. It's not very big, but it was just to get the thing moving. It's a little bit sticking out there. So I don't know if anybody knows how to date these, but if you can read that. I mean, I'm thinking the 2914. Would this be a 14 model? I don't know, is it? That's the only serial number I can find on it, and that was just helping advice basically. Anyway, this is the hoover. Quite nice. It was quite nice to strip down. It wasn't too plasticky and nothing got broken. And after plugging the rewiring the cable into it and switching it on, the motor ran. Now, why was this thrown out? Well, the only reason why this motor was thrown out was that filter inside there was absolutely chock-a-block thick. It almost looked like it had been sucked up some kind of something liquid. It just everything had just got stuck to it, built up over the. It didn't even look like this filter had ever been cleaned out at all. It just didn't. It just, I don't know. It's like they bought the hoover, they've ran it, never cleaned the hoover out. Oh, the hoover doesn't work, throw it out, and they just binned it. Everything works. That attachment works. I say it's a good little hoover, I think personally. Let's plug it in, and I'll give you a little demonstration. It's just seated there. Hopefully you can see. Yeah, that's good. If it blows up now, it'll look a right tick. There you go. Let's do it how the professionals do it in the Ecosol. Yeah, that's it. Nothing wrong with that bad boy, and I think, to be fair, I might just keep it. I was going to just sell it on, but the only thing that's missing is the long tool here, long pipe, whatever it was. I think it was a long crevice tool that's missing. Can't see anywhere else for any tools to go. But yeah, it's really interesting, and as I say, underneath, I don't know if you can see that. Can you see that? Not very well. See, the brushes don't even look like they've had any wear at all, just a little bit on the top. Look. Can you see that? So that could probably do with a clean, but it's a freaking hoover, isn't it, at the end of the day? It's going to get dirty. Yeah, free hoover. Gotta love a freebie. Give it a thumbs up. Go on, you know you want to.